Hello everyone and welcome to another Friday new product post. Greg, our videographer, is still out of town, but we're taking care of the video this week anyway. We've got a few products to talk about, so let's see what we've got. Here we have a new product from Salae, or however you say their name. This is the Logic 16. This is an update to their USB logic analyzer, and this has 16 channels and is a little bit faster. The other one's only 8 channels. So let's open it up and see what we got. We have this nice padded case, and inside we've got the hooks that you can connect to ICs or wires or other things. We've got more of the hooks. We've got the actual main unit. We've got the USB cable. We have the actual jumper wires that connect into the unit and connect out to the hooks. And if we look at the main unit, it's a little larger than the USB logic analyzer, and it has 16 full pins on here, and this can actually do 100 megahertz at 2 channels, and if you're doing all 16 channels it goes down to about 12.5 megahertz. So if you're looking to do I2C, SPI, serial, or any kind of logic analyzing, check out the Logic 16. So this week we've got a new digital multimeter. This one's interesting because not only is it auto-ranging, it also has an RS-232 output and comes with a temperature sensor. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Just got a piece of plastic holding this on here.
It's tape.
It's tape. So if we open this up, we've got a USB cable. We've got the actual meter itself. We've got the CD, which has the drivers and the software for reading the output. And then we've got the cables here. We've got this, which is the temperature sensor. Just plugs directly in, has a little probe on the end of it, and you can read in Celsius and Fahrenheit. And then we've actually got the, probes here. So if we look at the meter on the top here, we've got an RS-232 output, which connects to the USB, and we can basically, with the program, view exactly what's on the screen, and we can not only log it, but we can save it as a file and then recall it later. So if you're looking at change over time or anything like that, you can just use the software and the USB cable to log that out of the meter. And it's got the handy little stand and everything on it. But it's a really interesting and nice meter. It's got a large display, and of course it's auto-ranging, so you don't have to mess with flipping the dial to the different ranges. So if you're in the market for a new meter, check this one out. So we have a new Surface Transducer to talk about. This is a lot smaller than the old one. As you can see, for a size comparison, here's the old one that we had last week, and it is significantly smaller than this one. And this is nominal 4 ohm rating, so you can drive it with pretty much any amplifier. And it also has about a 1 to 2 watt audio range. And if you hook this up to something like a cardboard box or something like that, it can actually get pretty loud. So if you're looking for a little bit smaller Surface Transducer than one we had last week, then check this out. So there you have it, another Friday new product post. We've got the digital multimeter, we've got the logic analyzer, and we have the smaller Surface Transducer. Greg, our videographer, will be back next week, so we'll have more lengthy and in-depth videos then. So stay tuned and we'll see you next week. And as always, go ahead and check out the product post for the rest of the new products. See you next week.